Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Fidelity. First, open the Venmo app and tap Me at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Then go to Payment Methods. Tap Add Bank or Card, then select Card. Enter your Fidelity debit card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code to link your account. Once your Fidelity account is linked, go back to your Me page and tap Transfer next to your Venmo balance. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then choose Instant Transfer or Standard Transfer. Select your Fidelity card as the destination and confirm. And that's it. Your money will be transferred safely to Fidelity and you'll get a notification when it's complete. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.